RAG versus fine-tuning, which is better? Two approaches to improve AI models are powerful, but they are not perfect. To improve them, there are two main approaches: RAG external knowledge fine-tuning, internal training. The core difference: RAG connects AI to external data sources. Fine-tuning changes the model itself. One extends knowledge, the other reshapes behavior. RAG explained. RAG stands for Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Before answering, the model searches relevant documents, retrieves real-time data, uses that context to generate answers. When RAG works best: dynamic content, enterprise knowledge bases frequently changing, data document-based Q&A ensures answers are current and contextual. Advantages of RAG: up-to-date information, reduced hallucination, no need to retrain. Model works with large document sets. Limitations of RAG: depends on data quality, slower due to retrieval step, needs proper data pipelines. Fine-tuning explained. Fine-tuning trains the model on specific datasets. It modifies how the model responds, understands domain language formats, outputs. When fine-tuning works best: domain-specific tasks, consistent response style, structured outputs, specialized workflows. Advantages of fine-tuning: high accuracy for specific tasks, consistent behavior, faster responses, no retrieval step. Limitations of fine-tuning: not real-time, needs retraining for updates, higher cost and effort. Key difference: RAG flexible and always updated, fine-tuning stable and deeply optimized. The trade-off: RAG more dynamic, less control, fine-tuning more control, less flexibility. Real-world strategy: many companies use both together. RAG for knowledge, fine-tuning for behavior. The decision: there is no universal best. Choose based on your data, your use case, your scalability needs. The final take: AI performance is not just about the model. It's about how you design the system around it. Rocket emoji.